Welcome to Mini Music Class, brought to you by Education Through Music Los Angeles. Today's lesson is designed for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students, and we will be covering dynamics. In today's lesson, we will define the word dynamics and learn about the language behind our words. We will also listen to some amazing pieces of music. For this lesson, you will need a paper and a pencil to take notes. Feel free to pause the video if you need to grab those materials right now. First off, what is dynamics? Dynamics is the volume of music. The volume tells us how loud or how soft our music is. Let's start off with piano. Most of us know piano to be an instrument with black and white keys that we press with our fingers. But in this case, piano has a different meaning. For dynamics, piano means soft. Here's what it sounds like. Next, let's look at forte. Some of our Spanish-speaking friends might have a good guess of what forte means. That's because it looks very similar and sounds similar to the word fuerte, which means loud in Spanish. And it also means loud in music. That's no coincidence. Forte, piano, and a lot of the other music terms come from the Italian language. Both Italian and Spanish language have their roots in Latin. So that's why many of the Italian and Spanish words sound very similar. In fact, both languages even share some of the exact same words. Here's what forte sounds like. Here is our dynamics meter. It's going to measure the volume, or how loud or soft our music is. We have already learned about 2 of our volumes, but you can see where we have a lot of space in between them. So let's explore some of our other volumes. So we already know piano, and if we look at our dynamics meter, we can see that there is some space below it. Let's call this dynamic pianissimo. What is pianissimo? Well, let's break down that word. The root word is piano, and we know piano means soft. And then we add issimo, which means very in Italian. That gives us pianissimo, which altogether means very soft. Here is a word rule that will definitely help in our music terms. Every time you add issimo to a word, you're really adding the word very to it. For example, the word bella means beautiful in Italian. You add bella plus issimo, that will give you bellissimo. That means beautiful, plus very gives you very beautiful. Easy, right? Now that we know our word rule, can you figure out the meaning to the word fortissimo? Well, we know it has isimo, but what is the root word? It's forte, and forte means loud. So, loud plus very gives us very loud. Forte plus isimo gives us fortissimo. Good job. Dynamics meter still has open space in the middle. That means there are some volumes that are still missing. We're going to use a special word called mezzo. Mezzo means moderately or medium. I like to think of the phrase kind of when I use mezzo, just for me. If the music says to sing mezzo piano, that's the same thing as saying medium soft or moderately soft or even kind of soft, which I understand a little better. What would it mean if you were to say mezzo forte? It means medium loud or moderately loud or even kind of loud. Oh wow, our dynamics meter is finally complete. That means it's time for us to take our mini music quiz. I'll read the question and then I'll give you 10 seconds to figure out the answer. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question 1. What does the Italian suffix "-issimo" mean? Is it A, very, B, a little, C, somewhat, or D, kind of? Answer is A, very. Number 2. Piano is both an instrument and a dynamic. Is that true or false? Answer is true. Number 3. Fortissimo means A, very soft, B, very medium, C, kind of loud, or D, very loud. Answer is D, very loud. Number 4. Mezzo means A, medium, B, kind of, C, moderately, or D, all of the above? Answer is D, all of the above. Last one, number 5. Piano and forte are music words in which language? A, English, B, Spanish, C, Italian, or D, Latin? Answer is C, Italian. Great job, you guys. Did you like the music? Well, here's the list of all the songs. You'll have the song name followed by the composer. Feel free to look them up. Great job today! Thank you for learning with us in Mini Music Class, brought to you by Education Through Music. We'll see you next time.